Morning guys, June 8th, 2020. This one here, we're gonna go change a couple outside faucets. One of them's frozen and one of them's leaking when they turn the water on. So, I mean, these frost-free faucets, they're good for, 4 or 5 years. Then they start having issues. You gotta change them. Don't make them like they used to. You ever hear that saying? That goes for a lot of things. They don't make them like they used to. We'll try to get you some shots when we get over there. I had to run out and get a couple of parts, and sucks working out of a pickup truck. Don't like it. Well, at least it's fast. I mean, this thing's like a jet plane compared to my other truck. Should be off right here. It runs over and out. This one's frozen, she said. See how it's pitching up? Wants to go that way. Oh yeah. This one's frozen. Frozen chosen. No good. Looks like it might have froze there, see it? A little bubble action. See how it froze? That's why. It froze right there. This being on it, not letting it drain. I'll take it right apart, makes it a lot easier to solder. See, this one froze right here. See how it's cattywampus? That's why it's hard to turn. It froze. Yeah. We got 2 of them to do, so we'll prefab them on there. How you doing, Mama? See, it's all twisted here too, see it? She's a twisted. That's what they call a twisted sister. There we go. All that there. Give it the old twisted sister. Don't hurt to take them apart. I mean, a lot of times I'll leave them together, but this way I don't go put no jet coupling in there. Twisted Sister, mama. This wants to come down. This wants to pitch up like that. We could adjust it inside when we get in there, but we want to have it down a little bit. We do the inside, we'll pitch it up a little bit. We'll cut it so it's pitching down like that. Okay, maybe we'll turn this one on and see how it works. I feel this is tight, packing. Let's See no leaks. A lot of pressure here, it looks like. Somebody put this in here. I bet you there's a lot of water pressure here, I bet you. And we're gonna shut off here and it runs over. And it feeds another one here. And that one's leaking outside, he said. Changed too. Let's change this one. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. We're gonna put new screws in it anyway. She's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. She's got a couple of screws loose. Alright, so we'll shut the water off and cut it inside. This thing runs all the way over here to this little hose. There's the shut off. I'm gonna get this one all together. My other one was over here above the oil tank. But I cut it and put a couple in there. So this one shut off shuts these two. You don't need to shut them off anyway, but they're frost free. I got no leaks there. That one's not leaking. That goes to the other side.